Ako Kaihin Park. Getting a ticket for the cute Habatan train. Let's go for a relaxing train ride. A ship shape? What is that? Let's hop off the train and check it out. Turns out it's a playground. Looks like so much fun. Hopping back onto the train. By chance, no one else is here. It feels just like a private ride. Passing by the lake. There is Waku-Waku Land. There are so many fun rides here. And that brings our park train journey to an end. Enjoy the view of the Habatan train coming this way. Thank you for watching.